All right, we've all heard of it. It's the Cosmo. Boring. No, it's not boring. It's delicious, okay? And I am going to share with you the very good Cosmo recipe.
It's an honor, really.
It's an honor to you for me to share this with you. This is a heavily requested video, and I'm not gonna name names, but this is somebody's mom's favorite drink, okay? Maybe it's your mom. Maybe I talked to your mom and she said, this is my favorite recipe. Traditionally, a Cosmo does have orange liqueur of some kind, Cointreau usually. This recipe does not have that. Instead, we made our own citrus vodka. So I only made a cup of this vodka. It was 1 cup of vodka, 1 orange sliced, and the peel of 2 lemons. And you let this sit for 3 days to infuse, and you have a little citrus vodka. It's very tasty, good stuff. And so that's going to supplement the kind of orange flavors from our Cointreau. This recipe originally we created for the very first menu at a bar that we worked at, that we helped open. It was on the classics menu, and we were trying to cut costs, actually. So coming up with a solution where we don't use orange liqueur. So this is a very cost-effective way to make a Cosmo. You can make a huge batch of citrus vodka and go Cosmo crazy. 3/4 simple. 1/2 an ounce of lime juice. We're using super lime. You can just do lime juice. 1 ounce of cranberry juice. Citrus vodka. If you don't have time to make citrus vodka or don't have the resources and you happen to have orange bitters, you could do a couple dashes of orange bitters instead, but this is much better. One of the requirements of a Cosmo, you'll find this written in every cocktail book, it does need to be served in a stupid glass. Preferably an oversized martini glass. That is traditional, and we are sticking with tradition. Fuck. Okay, and go ahead and take a match and just light it with a lighter. I mean, that's really funny. That's really funny.
Okay, I think that's probably pretty good.
No. You said you wanted it obnoxious.
It's very obnoxious already. I wonder what you're doing right now.
I'm trying to get it all swirly, like a little curly cue. Hilarious.
Okay, let's
Your
see.
mom's gonna love
Let's go
this. Okay, let's give it a little taste. Good job, Demi. Good job. It is not overly sweet. It's pretty orangey, which I'm into. You get like a little bit of pleasant bitterness from the peels from our infusion on the citrus vodka. No one ingredient is overpowering the other. So the cranberry is coming in with some tannin, some flavor. Obviously very citrus forward. It's not too tart, it's not too sweet. It's just like a very pleasant, balanced cocktail. In my opinion, that's my opinion. You can have a different opinion, and that's fine by me. I'm just gonna drink this hilarious Cosmo. Also, the thing about kind of serving it in a large martini glass like this is that you can kind of just tell a tale with just reckless abandon. And you can kind of be the drunk white lady about it, you know?
Yeah,
kind of slosh it around. And no spills. Absolutely none. So, pretty good little party trick, if I do say so myself here.
It's really orangey. Mm-hmm. Probably because we put like 5 flamed orange.
For the picture, we did about 3 flamed orange peels. Well, this was fun. I'm glad that we got to make this. I've been wanting to remake this for a while. We haven't made it in a few years.
It's delicious.
It's delicious. I'm still very proud of it. I think that it's a really great Cosmo. If you don't have orange liqueur or you don't want to buy orange liqueur, this is a perfect recipe. I also think that we don't have orange liqueur, or I would make the original Cosmo and I'd put them side by side, but maybe one day when we have the resources to do that, that'd be kind of fun.
Yeah.
Anyway, if you make this, let me know. I would be very excited to hear what you think.
Cheers.
Cheers. Hello. Have you ever heard of...
Oh, hi.
Oh my God, I didn't know you were there.